10 simple rules for making good oral presentations. Talk to audience. Gain eye contact with as many people as possible. It adds intimacy and comfort to presentation. Less is more. A common mistake of inexperienced presenters is that they say too much. They want to prove themselves that they know a lot. As a result, main message is lost. So, be concise. Only talk when you have something to say. Don't be overzealous about what you think will have available to present when time comes. Don't mix your research with uninteresting information. Make the take-home message persistent. Audience should remember basic 3 points of your presentation. Be logical. Presentation should be in logical flow, beginning, middle, and end, where take-home message is clearly understood. Treat the floor as a stage. Presentation should be entertaining, but do know your limits. Be humorous, tell anecdotes, and captivate audience. Practice and time your presentation. Before presentation, practice it. Set visual cues. Deliver it to your collaborators who help to point out obvious discrepancies. Use visuals effectively. If you need visuals, then prepare good materials like charts and graphs. The visuals should support what you are saying. Review audio or video of your presentation. There is nothing more effective than listening or reviewing a presentation you have made. It will help to point out mistakes. Provide appropriate acknowledgements. Appreciate those who contributed.